Are you curious about the warning indicators and cluster display on the 2026 Lexus LC 500? How can these symbols enhance your driving experience? This guide will break it all down for you. Interior view. The dashboard features a sleek, driver-focused design with a high-resolution touchscreen for infotainment and navigation. It includes premium materials, ambient lighting, and an intuitive control layout for a luxurious and user-friendly experience. The display features a high-resolution touchscreen with smartphone integration, navigation, and vehicle settings. It offers a user-friendly interface with crisp graphics and responsive controls. The instrument cluster features a digital display with analog-style gauges, providing real-time vehicle information. It includes a customizable multi-information screen for navigation, safety alerts, and driving data. The gear shift lever has an ergonomic design with a smooth, precise shifting mechanism. It includes a leather-wrapped finish and a manual shifting mode for enhanced driving control. The steering wheel features a leather-wrapped design with a comfortable grip and ergonomic controls. It includes integrated buttons for audio, cruise control, and hands-free phone operation. The climate control system features a dual-zone automatic setup for personalized temperature settings. It includes touch-sensitive controls and vents designed for efficient airflow and comfort. The engine features a 5.0-liter V8 naturally aspirated powertrain, delivering high revving performance and a thrilling exhaust note. It provides smooth acceleration, precise throttle response, and a balanced blend of power and refinement. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators. Brake system warning light, high coolant temperature warning light. Charging system warning light, low engine oil pressure warning light. Malfunction indicator lamp, SRS warning light. ABS warning light, inappropriate pedal operation warning light. Electric power steering system warning light, low fuel level warning light. Driver's and front passenger seatbelt reminder light. Rear passenger seatbelt reminder lights. Tire pressure warning light. LTA indicator. RCTA off indicator. RCD off indicator. PCS warning light. RCTA indicator. PCS off warning light. Slip indicator. Parking brake indicator. Brake hold operated indicator. Master warning light. Turn signal indicator. Headlight indicator. Tail light indicator. Headlight high beam indicator. Automatic high beam indicator. PCS warning light. Cruise control indicator. Dynamic radar cruise control indicator. Cruise control set indicator. Security indicator. BSM outside rear view mirror indicators. BSM indicator, normal indicator. VSC off indicator, smart access system with push button start. Brake hold operated indicator, eco driving indicator light. Low outside temperature indicator, passenger airbag indicator lights. Expert indicator, custom mode indicator. Eco drive mode indicator, sport mode indicator. Sport S mode indicator, Sport S plus mode indicator. Snow mode indicator, comfort indicator. Safety precaution. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbol. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use an OBD2 scanner for diagnostics. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips.